Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly clean and care for those porcelain coated grill grates on your Traeger grill. Today's Traeger of choice, I'm using my brand new Ironwood XL. So let's dig in. We're going to talk about the tools, the grates, and then get out, do some cleaning. First things first, let's go ahead and talk about these grill grates. And as you can see, I picked one of my dirty grill grates out because I wanted to show you. Our goal is ultimately to get all of this off the grill grates, but we have to be careful. Now, these are porcelain coated, which means that porcelain's fired at about 1600 degrees. So through normal care and maintenance, these are going to perform very, very well. We just want to be careful that we are not digging into them with the scraper on the Traeger brush and that we're always using a nylon brush when possible, making sure that we're not using a wire brush in all of our cleanings because that will eventually wear that coating down, could expose some of those grill grates and maybe lead to some rust as well. So today, I'm going to be using my handy dandy Traeger grill scraper. It's got those stiff nylon bristles, has that metal scraper as well. That'll help us loosen anything. We just have to be super careful that we are not gouging into the surface. But that's it. Pretty simple. Now, the porcelain grates are going to come standard on a lot of your Traeger models, right? From the Pro series to the new Pros to the Ironwood series and the new Ironwoods as well. Only time you're going to find stainless steel grates is on the Timberline series. But other than that, you're going to expect these porcelain grates on all the models. Step number one, with the grill off, making sure this is nice and cool, I like to go through here with that brush and give everything a good scrape like so. And I'm just kind of holding this top rack just to give it a little support. But again, I'm going through there and giving it a nice scrub. Now, my ultimate goal is to get everything off the top and the bottom as well. So I'm going to start on the top and get everything brushed off nice and neat. Like so, and then I have a fun little trick I'm going to show you before we flip this guy over, because guess what? I also want to get all of the residue off the grill grates as well. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a towel, spray a little of my Traeger spray on there, right? This is food contact surface approved, so we're not harming anyone. Then what I like to do is just go through and give it a wipe down, because I think what you're going to see here as well, not only do we have to get the crumbs off there, but it's also nice to get some of that residue as well. So now we've taken the food particles, but we've also taken some of the oils too. Next up, let's go ahead and flip this guy over, because look at that. As you can see, we also have stuff stuck to the bottom. So now I'll go ahead and scrape the bottom of the grill grates off as well, followed by that towel with a little Traeger spray to get any of that last minute residue off. Now the process is the same on the bottom. Once again, I'm gonna go through and give them a nice scrub and get everything off there. Now, here's a question I was asked the other day. Hey, is it okay to put these in my dishwasher? Are they dishwasher safe? My answer is yes, because they're porcelain coated, they are dishwasher safe. But I would say personally, no, I wouldn't do it, because a lot of the fat, a lot of the oils and things, unless you have a very heavy duty dishwasher that maybe has a food auger in it, some of these particles may end up clogging your dishwasher. So if you have a standard dishwasher, my answer is no, unless you have one of those fancy dishwashers with the food auger, then tread lightly and maybe check your owner's manual as well. All right, now that we have the top and the bottom all clean, final thing I'm gonna do is just take a damp towel, just warm water, nothing else on here. I'm gonna go through and get any last minute residue and also anything else off of here. Like I said, not worried about the cleaner because that is food contact surface approved, but just like to go through and get any final little bits of barbecue memories gone. Not too shabby, right? We're nice and clean. And lastly, we'll get that top rack added in and give it a final wipe down as well. But we are good to go. We've got nice clean grill grates ready to handle our next barbecue adventure. But you know what? While the grill is apart, probably a good time to do a little deep cleaning too. Well, I'll tell you what, not a bad, quick, easy way to keep those grill grates nice and clean. Now, if you're looking for another video on how to keep your Traeger nice and clean, be sure to check that out, because I've got another video coming up next on how to clean your Traeger.